Joaquin here, restoring a 1969 Mach 1 Mustang. Basically removing everything that has rust and replacing it with new panels. We have the front end off here, basically doing a rotisserie without a rotisserie machine. Upside down, inside out, getting every corner. We have already replaced the front firewall. Basically replace the door quarters, fender wells, inner and outer. Of course, we got to remove all the skins to get into the internal parts. We replaced rear frame horns. This whole rear body panel that holds the gas tank in the trunk. Come around this side. The only thing we didn't remove was the roof, basically. So we have a full frame-off restoration, which these 69 Mustangs didn't have a frame, so you would say a unibody. Chop up the unibody and replace any rusted parts as needed. So there we go. We'll get back to it and see you guys another day. Floor skins. I would say maybe another 6 months. I'm basically the only hand that touches this car. That's how the owner of this vehicle wants it and likes it. I've done over 15 restorations for him of his personal vehicle, so I'm the man that he wants on the job. So if I had a team, I'd say I'd get done in about a month or 2 at the most. But me solo, about 6 months. Stuff that I'm laying, but if you remember under here, these were 2 panels. Right. If you feel this, that's dry already. Check it out. Feel that. It's a rubber seam sealer that joins the 2 panels together. And then after we do this, we go into a bed liner coating. You know, the rubberized bed liner? Yeah. Makes it even more. Under the entire car, under the inside, everywhere. Everywhere. Roof, everywhere in the inside to make it more soundproof and last longer.